And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 200. Let me show the tweak effect. We'll start with a hexagon. We'll go to effect, distort and transform, and there it is. The preview here actually doesn't make a difference. So if you uncheck it, the effect will not be erased. Horizontal and vertical at 0%, you will get the original shape. And then if you go up, it gets randomly transformed in horizontal and vertical axis. Again, we have relative and absolute values like with other effects. So if you want to use pixels or percentage, use that here. And then the three modify options. The first one is for the anchor points. Anchor points are the corner points of your shape. In this case, we have 6 as it's a hexagon. And when you check it or uncheck it, these anchor points will be either affected or unaffected. So they will stay in position or they will be transformed too. And then we have in and out control points, and this for the Bezier curves. If you don't know what that is, it's simply when you have a curved line, you will get these handles and you can adjust the angle with it. And that's basically it. It always has an in handle, so an in for the angle and then an out. And therefore you can affect that here. Let me use a simpler shape, a rectangle maybe. And let me directly show you a Bezier. So I use the pen tool, left click drag, and then you get these two handles. With the direct selection tool, I can adjust that, and you can see how that adjusts the angle. You will not have that for straight corners, so we don't see it at the rectangle for now. But when we use the tweak effect, we're going to get roundness here and there. And here we can clearly see that without the anchor points checked, they're all still in position. And with it checked, the anchor points get a little bit more repositioned. And then we have in and out for these Bezier curves. As I've said, best advice that I can give you is to just check and uncheck it, and you see the effect applied. For text, if you want to use it, you can, but only at very, very low values. So single digits. For horizontal and vertical, at least for relative, so don't go higher than 10%. And once more here, I check and uncheck the modify options to see if that gives me a better outcome. As always, don't forget to confirm via OK, and then you've got this tweak effect applied. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.